Max wasn't broke. He had a job. Money was coming in every month, but somehow his bank account never really grew. At the end of the year, he checked his finances and thought, where did all my money go? No big purchases, no luxury lifestyle, and yet he was still stuck. If that sounds like you, then yeah, this video is going to hit a little too close to home. My name is Max, and I spend way too much time thinking about money, spending habits, and how people silently lose wealth without realizing it. If you're someone who earns money but still feels like you're not getting ahead, keeps wondering where your money disappears, or struggles to build real savings, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing. Most people think they're not saving money because they don't earn enough. That's not always true. In many cases, you're not broke, you're leaking money. And here's what most people don't realize. These leaks are small, invisible, and repeated daily, which makes them dangerous. If you're not careful, you could be losing $10,000 or more every single year without even noticing it. And no, it's not because of one big mistake, it's because of 3 small ones. Mistake number 1, lifestyle inflation, the silent trap. Let's start with the most common one. Max got a raise, not huge, but decent, an extra $500 per month. At first, he thought, nice, now I can save more. But instead, better food, more subscriptions, slightly nicer lifestyle. That extra $500? Gone, every month. The math? $500 per month times 12 months equals $6,000 per year. Gone, just like that. Here's what most people don't realize. As your income increases, your brain adjusts your normal, so what once felt like a luxury now feels like a necessity. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it keeps people stuck at the same financial level for years. Now, you might be thinking, but I deserve to enjoy my money. Of course you do, but here's the difference. Spending intentionally versus spending automatically. Most people don't choose their lifestyle. They drift into it. Mistake number 2. Small daily spending, the invisible leak. Look, no one goes broke from one big purchase. People go broke from small daily habits. Max tracked his spending for a week. Here's what he found. Coffee, $5 a day. Food delivery, $10 to $15. Random purchases, $10. That's about $25 a day. Doesn't sound like much, right? The math that hurts. $25 per day times 365 days equals $9,125 per year. Let that sink in. Over $9,000 gone. Because small expenses don't trigger pain, your brain ignores them. It's like a slow leak in a tire. You don't notice it until you're completely flat. Idea, this is where it gets interesting. If Max had invested that $25 per day instead, at 10% return over 10 years, that's over $140,000. Not from working harder, just from being more aware. Mistake number 3, delaying investing, the biggest cost. This one is massive, and most people underestimate it. Max delayed investing for just 5 years. He thought, I'll start later when I have more money. Big mistake. Let's compare. Person A starts investing $300 per month at age 25. Person B starts at 30. Same amount, same effort, but person A ends up with hundreds of thousands more. Why? Because of compound interest. Think of investing like planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow. Delay planting, you lose years of growth you can never get back. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have enough money to invest, but here's the truth. You don't need more money, you need better allocation. Even $100 a month is enough to start. Let's add it up. Lifestyle inflation, $6,000, daily spending, $9,000, delayed investing, $5,000 plus lost opportunity. That's over $10,000 to $20,000 per year, silently. Here's what most people don't realize. Wealth isn't destroyed by big mistakes, it's destroyed by small, repeated behaviors. Fix those, everything changes. How to fix this? Step 1. Set a wealth rule. Every time your income increases, save or invest at least 50% of the increase. Step 2. Track your spending once, not forever, just for 7 days. You'll see leaks instantly. Step 3. Automate investing. Set auto transfer, auto investment,
remove decision-making. Step 4, start small, start now. Even $50 to $100 matters. Consistency greater than amount. Max didn't suddenly earn more money, he just stopped losing it, and that changed everything. You don't need a higher salary, you don't need a lucky break, you just need to close the leaks, build simple systems, stay consistent. Because once you fix these 3 mistakes, you're no longer stuck, you're finally moving forward. If this video made you realize where your money is actually going, make sure to subscribe, because on this channel, we don't just talk about money, we fix the systems that control it. And remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow.